Uncle Mark back with you again here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, 2 thumbs up for you. If you're a regular to the channel, better give you 2 thumbs up too. Glad to have you with us. If you're new to the channel, you don't know what to expect, but we're going to go take a look at an old van. I usually do repair videos, but I've been adding some of these because there's cars kicking around somewhere, and I love vehicles. I believe it's like 50s, early 60s, somewhere in there. It's a microbus, the Volkswagen. I think it's got all the windows, along the top there. If my memory serves me right, it's in the bush. I've never been very close to it because it was deep in the bush, but you could see it there. I thought, why don't we wander there? It's an abandoned house. We'll snoop around a little bit, try not to, disturb anything. It's just right off the road. Enjoy. Let's take a look at it together. Prairies are flat. What is that? I don't know if you can see this or not, but not very flat here. Near the hill. Looks like they found it and they've moved it because they've cleared some bush. So we're not going to go walk in there because that's kind of private property. And I always say don't go on private property. So. Looks like they've got some other kind of a van there too, really cool, but not going to be able to help us. Darn. Maybe we will go look. It's a little bit off, so I don't think we're going to hurt anybody. And we drove a long way to come see it. And it's kind of cool looking. It doesn't have the windows on top. I guess it was wrong. Been wrong before. That's kind of neat. It doesn't have the windows in the back. The last two or whatever. Ooh, look at the taillights. They're round. I've never seen round taillights. They're usually kind of not really oval, but square with rounded corners. 1964 is the last time it was plated. To something they're wagging something. Volkswagen probably. I didn't know they made stickers back then. Yeah, it's in good shape and it's not in good shape, but obviously not drivable. Front axle's still there. Doors look pretty good. Yeah, lots of junk in it. Yeah, maybe I can stick my hand through here and just see what the mileage is. Hopefully nobody sees me. Although there's no windshield either. Could have done it that way. And I goofed. Kind of didn't want anybody to see me like with my hand in the van, since I had no permission to snoop here. But like I say, it's in the middle of a field. It kind of looks abandoned. Yeah, bullet holes. A few of them. Nothing that can't be fixed. Missing all the trim pieces other than, well, I guess there's no trim really around the windows, no chrome. Needs most of the glass, missing the lights, missing the Volkswagen, more bullet holes there, missing the Volkswagen symbol. Unless it's all in the van, but I kind of don't think so. That door doesn't look too bad either, a little dent. More windows missing. This side had tree droppings or whatever this black stuff is from. You get that on the campers a lot of times. Can be washed off. Yeah, we look in here again, more junk. Was a work van. More junk, hubcap, some kind of tail light. Somebody's been shooting at windows there too. That's kind of too bad, but a little bit of rot underneath. Rocker panels. This looks not too bad. Actually looks like that's salvageable, huh? And like I say, you can get those rockers and whatever kind of floor. I wonder what the floor really looks like. That would be the next question there. So you need more windows. Gas filler, yeah, it's a little stuck. I don't want to break it. Yeah, a little bit of rust there. I'm sure you get that corner. It's probably a common thing. Again, round taillight. Look through here. No engine. You can see where it was mounted. Oh, I see some kind of a frame piece there. Yeah. Back window's gone too. Roof's a little bit rough, but that's it, I guess. We better get out of here before anybody says anything. Well, we're going to head out. This is kind of an interesting old van. Well, it's kind of neat. We just talked to the owner. He wanted to be off camera, but that's okay. I think he said it was a 61. He used to actually drive it way back. Got the window down among gravel here. Very cool anyway. We'll let you guys go. You can subscribe right here if you like the video, and hopefully we'll find a few more later on. You can always give me a thumbs up too. Try and be safe. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Welcome back to another episode of Uncle Mark. Nice to have you with us. We're going a little rad. Whoa! Try and get used to this new phone holder. I want to check a couple things out. Well, today I guess we're going to just go see one. This isn't going to work. Take two.